Once you discover how to experience hypnosis properly, it'll be your friend for life. This is because hypnosis is the optimum learning state. It allows you to update your instincts at will. All kinds of habits, wanted and unwanted behaviours, fears and negative beliefs become stored in the unconscious mind. They become activated by specific triggers from the environment. In fact, just like natural but unwanted post-hypnotic inductions. By using hypnosis effectively, you can begin to master the ebbs and flows of your own emotional life. This means that addictions, fears, confidence issues, and inappropriate angers and jealousies can be dealt with using your own innate power to change the way you respond. Using hypnosis is really about making the most of choice. Choosing how to be when you give a presentation, or play a sport, or come into contact with a previously feared trigger. What's more, hypnosis can directly affect the workings of your body. Physical processes like digestion, blood flow, healing and pain symptoms can all be radically altered using hypnosis. All highly successful people, sports stars, high-performing public speakers, great salespeople, musicians, innovative scientists, entertainers, artists or business people, have discovered, whether they know it or not, the power of self-hypnosis. And this is because hypnosis is the natural state they go into when they imagine and mentally rehearse performing at their peak. What's more, the really top performers regularly go into the zone or into flow, which is akin to a focused hypnotic trance state. The regular use of hypnosis can encourage this natural flow state so that you become better at generating the natural psychological state required for successful action. Many people go into hypnosis very easily. In fact, everybody experiences deep hypnosis many times a day. Every time you dream at night, you enter what's known as the REM, or rapid eye movement state. This is the deepest naturally occurring hypnotic state you experience. So all of us have the inbuilt brain machinery to experience deep trance. Hypnosis is just a way of tapping into a waking REM state. Like anything in life, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. The more you practice deep hypnosis, the better you become at using it. This session will help you develop the capacity for deep hypnosis. It will also provide you with suggestions to listen regularly and often to your hypnosis downloads to get the best from them and yourself.